down.
Now I already know. Y'all niggas would have loved to count me out, huh? Would have loved. Focus. Dang. Would have loved to count. Would have loved to count me out. But it's all good. It's all good. Because guess what? We still eating on this side. I promise. We still eating on this side. I promise. Let me just show you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We only getting better. I promise. We only getting better. We might not be posting our little snippets and all that, but we only getting better. I promise. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw a little sneak peek on this channel. But as most of y'all know, I already moved my platform to Just Decks. The full custom as well as the full B-roll for these is going to be on there. If you mess with them, like the video, comment. If you think I should post my customs on this channel and then the rest of my footage on Just Decks, my fault about the lens. I swear we're going to upgrade when I get some money. But if you think I should post my custom stuff on here and then other stuff on Just Decks, let me know. But for now, I'm going to keep trying to move some of y'all to my other platform. I'm still trying to get support on there. Ain't posted in there in over a month for y'all because I've been working on this custom for y'all. I also have a restoration I've been working on. And my aquas, my freaking babies. Hold on. Y'all look at my aquas, bro. Look. They look straight, huh? From 07, I think. I think these from 07. These OGs. But look, bro. Oh. Yes, bro. My soul's finally separated. If you see me hold my phone, that's because I use this as a mic, so y'all don't got to hear that camera focusing like it's doing. But yes, bro. So restoration coming soon on these, as well as that custom is going to be coming soon. I'm going to throw what I done edited so far as a little sneak peek, little teaser for y'all. But if y'all want the final footage, subscribe to Just Decks. I'm at like 120 or something like that. When I hit 145 subs on there. When I hit 145 subs on there, I'll drop the rest of the video. I'm going to be done editing it by tonight. But I just don't think y'all deserve it yet. I ain't been getting the support I deserve. So there go that content. I'm just playing. But please support me, man. Support the movement. I'm only trying to come up. Ain't no finesse or nothing like that. As you see, YouTube charge you. I mean, YouTube got to make you prove yourself to get your money and all that. So it ain't even like I'm in it for the chips or nothing like that. I just like making content, like doing customs, and like making videos. So I put them together. If you mess with the shoe, if you mess with these, with the red aglets, all that, yeah, we went super crazy with these. This how the client wanted them. Shout out to my boy Bryce. If you mess with these, go ahead and sub to your boy new channel so you can get the rest of the footage. See how I did this. These were originally laser 4s. They was beat ass. Yes, sir. So yeah, Just Decks, signing in, signing out. If you only on Lvce.locks, get on Just Decks, turn on the bell, support your boy. We on a mission. Come up. Peace. Hey, Will. Sorry these niggas up.
Thank you.